Tech Ghana. Ra akusia Anobel ne Nana Feyase ehine na ediome. Tech Ghana.
Chairman, Madam, Ubeti Amanatu, Ramaya say, Jumaku be a Akin Wabum, Tech in Ghana. I technology home, you may dear no moody. You mako be omoye technology home, and Omuna come Wabum. No money Ghana, one more Ghana, and a United Kingdom. No Macom Wabuma, Omuna, Omudi Omujuma. Now, Fibia, Ombe Shemu Ghana. Ben fear 9 omo shemu de ni na maye nkran na afide omo si renti awose omo ye royal conference na sa royal conference no me de Kumasi ha e no mbe ye no na omo mfa Kumasi ba bia se ye wura fie ya menhia na omo ntimi maha emedi omo dwumadi no na omo amaha amfo mo ameche ye wura ene na medi okude enti na de esom na omo de ebae na di odi omanim a oka niema nyina bom a odi omo eba ha ene menua bai akosua Anobel nti odawoma nka enha dwuna ka benfa kasamuni ma no na dwumedi ponti a obeduru ha no kono so ede aka ho mai.
Hello. My full name is Akosia Frema Annabel Dodu. It's my full name. I'm the founder of Tech in Ghana. For the past 10 years, we've been promoting and connecting and supporting Ghana's tech community. The startups, the founders, the entrepreneurs, the stakeholders, right from government to regulators, and promoting them on global platforms across the world. We've been hosting our events in London and in Accra over the past 8 years. We've done 14 editions. We have supported over 1,000 companies and stakeholders and have had more than 4,000 people come to our events. Now, for the first time, we are bringing the platform to Kumasi. We will be hosting the event in Jubilee Hall over the next 2 days, tomorrow, the 4th, and Friday, the 5th. And I would like to thank Opemsuo for giving us this opportunity, for graciously trusting us to use these grounds as a place to promote technology. Kumasi is an incredible place for innovation, for entrepreneurship, and we want the world to know that. As an Ashanti, I also want the world to know that. So I'm here to show that, bring people to the region, and hopefully drive more investment for the future. So thank you. I'm here with my team who have been with me from day one since we started. We do this by ourselves. Joseph Abladi, Mrs. Eben Owa, and Deborah David. Joseph also supports us. So they have been here. We've also brought some drinks to celebrate today with everybody. So thank you.
Miramisu, said the Odarma, Nafi, Fiyasehene Akoyem. No, Nana, Kosia from Musini. So much Hama Jumaku, I a friend at Tech in Ghana. Adarma, Nane, Sibem Fee, Dunin, or Ada Jumayano, Nemon Ben Fee, Nani, and what they buy a Sabi, a Bibrimaya Ghana Hanamo. Jumadia Mudi, a de Boasabi, in Makua, who do be bree. Now Ben Fee, Nani, and cry, and a Bibia Moyano. A fee, or said there be, or Bebe Fee. So Adarma, Yamea Duma, or China, and an addition, or pound to make the Mujuma, our and now could there. So woman to mean tina, Omo no be there. Now only at to him no shra woman, or my joint change, so the way Mamma Baby dinner hano, Bibia, so ever come. Then in 4 can home, Adarma, and what thou, my dear, or the tree. By ya and some who doing in our so count. You will not know woman the video there in the new group.
Nanano, Omi and Tech in Ghana for ye. Yampne one more. Yampne Tech in Ghana for ye.
Mr. Gruta.